Hey guys, Tejesh Kalki here. This video is about the two-point form of the equation of a line. Two-point form. As the name says, this is used when you are given 2 points and need to find the equation of the line that passes through those 2 points. For example, let's say the points are a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. In this case, the equation of the line that passes through a and b is given by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now here, if you observe carefully, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is nothing but the slope of the line. So simply you can remember this as y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. Now then, let's try solving this problem. The vertices of triangle PQR are P2, 1, Q minus 2, 3 and R4, 5 respectively. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Pause the video and give this problem a try, and when you are ready, keep watching for the solution. Now let's first try to visualize this. We are given 3 points P2, 1, Q minus 2, 3 and R4, 5. These 3 points form a triangle. Now the median through R is nothing but the line that passes through R and the midpoint of the opposite side, that is PQ. Let's say this point is M. So first, to solve this, we need to find the midpoint of PQ, M, which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That's the formula for midpoint, right? Now by substituting the corresponding values, we get the following. This is nothing but 0, 2. The line also passes through R, that is 4, 5. Now we have 2 points. We just have to substitute them in the 2-point form. That is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now by substituting the coordinates of these values, we get the following. This can be simplified to 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. And this is our required equation. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and share to show us your support. To see more such videos, please subscribe to the channel.